Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to make Baingan Bharta. A lot of people don't like brinjal or baingan, but if it's made in a nice way, it tastes really yummy. So let's check out how to make this delicious Baingan Bharta. For Baingan Bharta, we have taken 800 grams of eggplant or baingan, which is two big eggplants, and we are going to smear some oil all over both the baingans and then broil it directly in the gas stove in order to make the skin very soft and tender. So we just have to be a little patient. Wow, look at that. So now the entire skin has become very soft. So now we are going to drop it into water to bring it to room temperature, and then we can start peeling the skin of the baingan. So if it's properly broiled, the skin should really peel off easily. So here you can see the peeled baingan, which we are now roughly chopping, and then we are going to mash it well with a potato masher. You can even mash with bare hands. Here we have taken 8 grams of 4 red chillies. These are byadgi variety dry red chillies, and we have dropped them into hot oil, and let's fry this until they are nice and crisp. So in a mortar and pestle, I have taken some coriander seeds. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and also some garlic. This is 12 cloves of the big variety of garlic. So let's crush this well in the mortar and pestle. We need to crush them coarsely. Next, let's add the fried red chillies to this and crush these as well. Crushing all these ingredients in a mortar and pestle really enhances the flavor a lot. We have also taken 200 grams or 3 onions, which we have sliced into rings, and 4 tomatoes or 400 grams finely chopped, 3 green chillies, ginger 15 grams, coriander powder 2 teaspoon. We have also taken 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi or dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon Aamchoor powder or dry mango powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon red chilli powder. And we have taken juice of 3 big lemons, which comes to 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and cumin seeds or jeera. So now we had been frying the onions in hot oil. The onions have been sauteed well. Now to these onions, let's add in the masalas we had pounded earlier in the mortar and pestle, followed by green chilies which have been chopped. Coriander powder, kasoori methi or dry fenugreek, and the dry spice powders, that's turmeric powder and red chili powder, followed by the chopped tomatoes. Now we have to cook the chopped tomatoes. Let's saute it well. We have to cook until the tomato begins to leave water. Saute it well. Now let's add in the ginger which had been julienned or sliced thinly. Mix this well. Let's add in salt. Give it a mix. Now let's cover and cook this till the masala is well cooked and the tomatoes are softer. Wow, look at that. We had been covering and cooking this and the tomatoes have left water and the entire mixture has come to a boil. At this point, let's add in the mashed eggplants. Mix this in. This looks so yummy. Now we need to cook the eggplants well. Let's add in some salt. And also some Aamchoor powder or dry mango powder. Mix this in. This looks so awesome. Let's garnish with some coriander leaves. And give it a mix. This looks so yummy. If you serve Baingan like this, I think you won't have Baingan haters anymore. Let's add in lime juice to this. And give it a final mix. Baingan Bharta is all ready to serve and it looks so delicious. You can serve this with chapati, paratha, naan or rice. Do try this out and give us a feedback. I'm sure everyone in your family is going to love this. Thanks a lot. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.